Today we're going to be tying a pentagon variation. For starters, we're going to use some Vivas thread in olive. We'll start by securing our thread to the hook shank, snapping the excess free, and inserting a small lead-free wire to help hold our bead in place. Secure tightly and helicopter free. Next, we'll wrap towards the bend of the hook and grab some white feathers. We'll select about 5 to 10 fibers, pull those free and measure them to be the length of the hook shank. Secure them to the back of the fly, further securing by wrapping towards the bead. Pull the excess free and grab some gold wire. This one in particular is a small gold wire that we will wrap to the back of our hook. Once complete, we will use our thread to create a seamless body transition towards the head of our fly. Grab our gold wire and start to wrap this in open spirals till we reach our thread. Once complete, we will secure, taking wraps both in front as well as behind our gold wire, and helicopter free. Next we can whip finish, securing everything in place. Seat the knot and snip free. I like to make sure to burn off any tag ends for this next step. Grab some UV resin and paint this over our body. This is going to give it a nice shiny and smooth look. Once happy, we can use a UV light to fix it in place. For this next step, we're going to use some eyeshadow. Now, if you don't have any of your own like me, you can always steal some from your wife or your girlfriend. I like to use this midnight black color for this particular pattern. You'll also need to grab some UV resin. We'll mix these together and add a drop of our mixture onto the bead as well as part of the body. Make sure you take your time with this. If you have a rotating vise, it's very helpful to get the proper shape. This fly with the tungsten bead is perfect for pocket water trout. I like to use this one in particular anywhere I find blue wing olives. If you want to try these flies out for yourself, but don't tie, you can always submit a custom order on my website and I'd be happy to tie some up for you. And I will see you in the next one.